The sun, the source of energy for life on Earth. Stored in fossil fuels, the sun's energy has powered modern civilization for over 200 years. But the use of fossil fuels has resulted in dangerous global warming and a changing climate, to the extent that the United Nations and the European Union have declared a climate emergency. Transitioning to clean energy is an urgent imperative, and Europe is committed to achieving net zero emissions by the year 2050. But this will be extremely difficult if we rely only on existing renewable and low-carbon energy solutions, as intermittency of supply, pressures on land use, scalability and toxic waste limit how quickly and effectively existing energy sources can be rolled out. The European Space Agency has been investigating a new solution that could overcome all these problems. Solar power delivered wirelessly from space to Earth. Europe has the technology lead in building and launching communication satellites. This deep know-how can be built upon to develop and scale up solar power satellites. Huge orbiting solar farms, built up of many similar parts that will be mass-produced, launched into space on low-cost, reusable launchers, and assembled together in orbit using advanced robotic techniques. Once completed, these satellites will collect the full power of the sun's energy 24 hours a day, 7 days a week, and beam it wirelessly down to Earth to receiver stations, which will turn it back into electricity and deliver it to the grid. Space-based solar power is thus a continuously available, inexhaustible, sustainable and scalable source of energy that could help Europe meet its climate and energy security goals. This is not science fiction. The fundamental technologies are understood and are already being demonstrated on Earth and in space today. However, there are still many engineering and policy challenges that would need to be overcome to make this ultimate energy source a reality as early as the next decade. Other nations are already working on realizing space-based solar power. If Europe also wants to benefit from this game-changing capability, accelerated investments in research and development would need to start now to determine if space-based solar power can indeed offer another source of affordable and abundant energy for our green future. And in doing so, launch a new European space energy industry that would provide enormous opportunities for innovation and economic growth in space and on Earth.